guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Nishitha. I would love for you guys to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the products that I absolutely love. I'm going to pick one product from each category and recommend them for you guys. I wanted to include this video in the wedding series because I just wanted to give you guys an overview of what products are really good for our skin tones in each category. So I am including like both drugstore and high-end in this video, but I'm definitely gonna make a video talking about all my favorite drugstore products that will accumulate a good basic makeup kit for you guys. But in today's video, I'm just going to talk about the products that I've loved for years, and these are the products that I would totally recommend it to you guys. All the products that I'm gonna mention are totally worth the price tag as well. So yeah, let's jump into it. First, I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow palette that I feel like is very versatile. And the formula of it is amazing. And if you're not a YouTuber or if you're not a makeup collector, you're just a regular consumer who just wants to, own one eyeshadow palette which is going to do it all for you, I would say get the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. Each and every shadow in this palette like blends out beautifully. Not one shadow is streaky or patch. They're very pigmented. They blend out really easily. Just this one brown here, it's best if you use your fingers to apply it. But this has like a slight sparkle all over. When you apply it on your eyes, it just looks beautiful. Anyways, I'm not going to go into details, but this eyeshadow palette is very versatile. I mean, this is everything that you could need, especially if you're the bride. You can do so many looks with this. You do have your colorful eyeshadows, then you have a matte black, and you have like so many browns and so many transition shades, and then you have so many shimmery shades as well. So if you want to just get that one palette which is going to do it all for you, get the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. So then my favorite eyeliners of all time are the Mr. Right eyeliners from the Balm Cosmetics. Balm Cosmetics you can find on their website. You can also find them at Kohl's. It's one of the best brands out there. I feel like it's very underrated as well. This brand is not as expensive as the other high-end brands at Sephora, but these eyeliners are really good. Balm Cosmetics always, they do 50% off sales twice a year. So when you see a sale going on in the Balm Cosmetics website, just grab these eyeliners. They're really good. Like, they glide on really well. They don't stab my eyes. They just blend out beautifully even when you try to smudge it. They stay on my eyes for a really long time, and they don't transfer when I apply them on my waterline as well. So these are really good eyeliners. Next, I have a high-end mascara which I think it's totally worth the price tag. It's the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I absolutely love this. This gives me volume and length. It doesn't, crumble on me throughout the day. It stays on for a really long time. I absolutely love this mascara. So if you're willing to splurge on a high-end mascara, I'd say this is a really good option. Moving on to face, I have 3 primers slash, pre-foundation products that I absolutely love. One is the NYX Angel Well Blur Primer. This is such a good primer from the drugstore. And if you have dry skin, I absolutely love the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. And this particular Rainforest of the Sea Drops from Tarte are really good. Like, if you want to mix them in your matte foundations, it's going to add this beautiful glow to your skin. I absolutely love these drops. For foundation, I want to recommend this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. This is one of my holy grail foundations, and I've had this foundation for a really long time. This is a medium coverage one. It gives this nice beautiful glow to your skin. So especially if you're a beginner, I would say get this foundation. The reason I picked this one out of the other foundations is because the shade range. Especially if you're tan to deep skin tones, I feel like Makeup Forever shade range is really good. They do have large selection of shade range, but then also they have in-between shades which are really good and which are well suited for our Indian skin tones. So if you're looking for to get that one foundation, I would say give this one a try. And one more thing which I feel like is a necessity, which I feel like is very useful, is the Cover FX Custom Cover Drops. I use the shade G80. So whenever it's summer, I do tend to get a lot of tan on, and foundations tend to look ashy on me because I'm a lot tan and the foundation is a little bit light on me. So that's when I use these Cover FX drops. They change the color of the foundation, but they don't alter the consistency of the foundation. They don't alter the formula of the foundation. I absolutely love this product, and you can use this as a foundation mixed in with your moisturizer. I feel like this is a very versatile product, and I think it's totally worth the price tag as well. Then for concealer, if I have to pick one concealer out of everything, based on all the factors like the shade range, the amount of product you get, the price you're paying, the blendability, the coverage, I'm gonna pick the Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer. This is a really good concealer. If you're looking for that one concealer which is gonna give you a decent amount of coverage, which is not gonna dry out your under eyes and not crease on you and stay on for a really long time, I would say this one is a great option for that. And then to set the concealer in place, I would say go with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. Before I used to love the Laura Mercier, but ever since I started using this, I haven't gone back to it. I feel like, this powder works no matter what kind of skin tone you have. Laura Mercier one is a really good powder, but it's not, very well suited if you have extremely dry skin. Whereas this one, it's suitable for all skin types. So this would be my first recommendation. Then for contouring, I would say get the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This is a very versatile palette. You get like 3 different contouring shades. This one is a little bit warm tone, so it works as a bronzer. And this one, these both are cool tone. So you can use these to contour and you can use this to bronze up your skin a little bit. This is like a mid-tone. It's not too cool, it's not too warm. I absolutely love this powder, and this banana brightening powder is the best. It instantly brightens underneath your eyes when you apply it. This will be the only palette that you'll need to contour and bronze up your skin. And the pan size is so huge that this will last you forever. For highlights, one of my all-time favorite highlighters is the Anastasia Glow Kit. You get 4 different highlighters in this, and they blend out on your skin beautifully. They are intense, but they're not gonna look glittery and chunky. They just mesh in with your skin really well, but they will give you a nice intense glow. I absolutely love this highlighter palette, and you get like 4 different options with this, so that's why I'm recommending this. Then for blush, I feel like Tarte blushes are the best. I got this palette from Ulta. I'm sure it's still available. I think they released it for holidays. If you want to invest in good high-end blushes, I would say go with the brand Tarte. But if you don't want to invest in blushes, you just want that one blush that will work no matter what kind of makeup look you're wearing, then I would say get the Essence Satin Touch blush. To be honest, I reach for this blush a lot over this one. This one lasts on my skin really long as well. This has a nice satin finish, kind of like, a little bit of sheen to it, and just makes your skin look really healthy and glowy when you apply it. And I reach for this a lot. Whenever I did a makeup look and I'm not sure what blush I want to wear, this is the blush I go for. It goes with pretty much no matter what kind of look you're wearing. This is the blush I'm wearing on my cheeks right now. I absolutely love this. Almost forgot to mention this, but for lower lashes, so if you don't want to mess up your makeup, if you're someone who cannot apply mascara really well, I sometimes can't. Sometimes I get very sloppy when I'm applying mascara to my lower lashes, and the next thing you know, mascara is everywhere underneath my eyes. So if you're someone like that, if you're someone like me, I would say get the Pixi by Petra Lower Lashes Mascara. The wand on this is really small that you can make no mistake. So next product that I absolutely love is the Anastasia Brow Wiz. I'm in the shade dark brown. This is like a really good brow pencil. It just is not too waxy. It's just not too stiff. It's just the perfect consistency, and I absolutely love this pencil. And then to set my brows in place, I'm always going to reach for my L'Oreal Brow Plumper. I absolutely love this, and it's from the drugstore. Very affordable, and it stays on for a really long time. For makeup to last for a really long time, look no further. Urban Decay All Nighter is the best setting spray which will elongate your makeup. I absolutely love this, and the mist on this is really good as well. And then if you have dry skin and if you have like so much powderiness going on your skin, but you want to dial it down, I would say get the Morphe Continuous Mist Spray. This is like hands down one of my favorite settings ever. I feel like for longevity, the Urban Decay one is better. But if you want a setting spray to add that nice, beautiful, healthy glow to your skin, I would say get the Morphe Continuous Mist. It's like, nice. So those are my top recommendations of products in each category. I'm not going to include any lip products because then we would be here all day long. But I'm gonna, mention few brands that carries really good lipsticks. Next from the drugstore is a really good brand for the lipsticks, and Rimmel London does really good lipsticks. And then Flower Beauty, and of course Maybelline. And at Sephora, I feel like Smashbox liquid lipsticks are really good. I also love Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipsticks, and even Colourpop makes really good lipsticks. What else? What other brands do I love? And of course, Sephora. Sephora itself. Sephora liquid lipsticks are really good. I recently started using them after I watched Tanuja's video. I'll link her channel down below. You cannot go wrong with the Sephora liquid lipsticks. They are just amazing. They do not last on your lips for a really long time, but they are very comfortable matte liquid lipsticks, and their color selection is just the best. So that completes this video. I really hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.